So hey girl squad, welcome to my channel today. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. My name is Edozie, and today we're going to be creating this look. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'm priming with Early Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. I did my brows off camera. I was having a bad brow day, so I struggled to get that to work. And right now I'm buffing the concealer into my skin using a brush, and I'm setting using Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to help the concealer stay in place, so when I apply my eyeshadows don't move. This is the Absolute Matte Eyeshadows palette. I know you guys have seen me use this palette so many times. It's just, the palette is so good and it has most of the colors you'd want to use in your crease. I applied a brownish shade in my crease, and for my outer corner I'm going in with a purplish reddish shade. This palette doesn't have names, so I'm sorry I can't give names. This is the Elsa's Pro single eyeshadow, and this is a champagne gold eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that on my lid, and it's going to serve as my lid color. I went back in with the brush I used in my crease just to blend out the eyeshadows where my crease color and my lid color meets. This is the classic eyeliner. I'm using it to line my eye. It's not a dramatic wing, something basic. And after lining my eyes, I'll go into my waterline, and this is the Lean Jumbo pencil, and I'm using the very black. It has two colors. I'm using the very black pad. For my skin, I'm priming with the Sacha mattifying primer, and after that I'll go in foundation. Foundation today we're using the Revlon Color Stay foundation, and I'm in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm just buffing that into my skin using a foundation kabuki brush, or kabuki foundation brush. I'm not sure guys what it's called, but it's a flat version. I'm using that for foundation. I went in with a beauty blender because I didn't like the finishing I got with the foundation, but then the beauty blender gave me what I wanted. I don't know if that's a beauty blender or a sponge, but then it's just, you guys know what it is. I'm highlighting with the Early Girl Pro Conceal still in the shade Toffee under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, under my chin. The usual. You've seen me do this so many times, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me blend and set my concealer. To set the concealer, I went in with the Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder, and this is in the shade Dark. I just put that over everywhere I had concealer on, and I'm setting the rest of my face with the Sleek powder palette. With the Sleek powder. It's not a palette. Jeez. I went back into my under eye with the purplish reddish shade I used in my outer corner, and for blush I'll be using the Lilian 3 color blusher, and this is the blush in the middle. It's a pretty bright red blush. For my inner corners, I'm going back into the Elsa's Pro champagne gold eyeshadow that I used on my lid, and I'm just putting that in my inner corner. And to set the whole makeup, I'm using the NYX matte finishing spray. For my lips, I went with Mary Kay lipstick, and this is in the, I think this is Confidence. Yes, Mary Kay lipstick, and in the shade or number or name confidence. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.